morning, technical champions. Here I am technical team along with us. Today they found our machine. What is the name of the machine?
Lathes.
Yes, so they have to discuss about the construction and working of all the big champions.
Okay, let's see about the introduction of lathe. It is known as a mother machine, right? We do the basic operation machining, right? Machining is removing metal surface from metal, right? So that operation can be really complex. So if we have a material that is symmetrical, that is rotationally symmetrical, you could use an advantage. If you fix the thing here and if you rotate it, you could just fix the tool there and it will do the work for you, right? That's really simple way because we cannot hold the tool and hold the material and then move the tool around it. That's really hard. But if you hold the workpiece, hold the tool, and if you rotate the workpiece, it will be really easy. Right? That's the basic principle behind it. So we have a headstock, right, that is used for rotating the workpiece holder. Right, this is not a chuck where the workpiece is holded. So we have a tool post, right, where we use the tool to do our various operations. Right. So this is the basic concept. This have a bed, right, where the whole structure is supported. So here our friends will explain all about the remaining side. Right?
Hello, friends. I am P. Pravingma, second year B Mechanical in GCT. I am explain the headstock. Headstock is a crucial component of the lathe machine, bounded on the left hand side. Left hand side in the lathe bed. It houses on the driven mechanism. Driven mechanism is a rotating the rotating the supports on the lathe machine. The main function of is a supports and rotates the spindle. The control of various speed in the handle and control the variation and direction of rotation. Thank you.
I'm Solberg from Mechanical B. I'm say about tailstock. It's a crucial component of lathe machine used to used to hold the long workpiece at the free end and used to hold the tool for special machining operation. It is located at the right hand side of the lathe machine. It is moved towards the headstock.
So I'm Shahrukh. I'm from Mechanical B, second year. So I'm going to be explaining about the operations in lathe. So, so the operation done lathe are turning, facing, knurling, and so on. So while performing the operations in lathe, we hold the workpiece in the headstock, and the tailstock holds the tool that is used for the operation. So facing is done to reduce the length of the workpiece. It is done by a single point cutting tool, which is placed in the tool post. And turning is done to reduce the diameter of the workpiece. It is also done by the single point cutting tool, which is also placed in the toolbox. Next, knurling. Knurling is the process of applying rough diamond shapes to the workpiece to increase its grip. So the next process is step turning. Step turning is similar to turning, but we reduce the workpiece into different diameter. So it appears in the form of steps. So the next process is drilling. Drilling is the process of drilling holes in the workpiece. The workpiece is fit into the headstock, and its headstock is made to rotate at a certain RPM. And multi-point cutting tool is placed in the tailstock, and the tailstock is moved to feed the tool into the workpiece, and we get the hole that is required as desired. So next process is boring. Boring is the same as drilling. It is used to make holes, but it is done by the single point cutting tool, and it is used for precise diameter cutting. So we have other process like chamfering, facing, and other stuff. So I'll be explaining later. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Stejana. I'm from second year mechanical B. I would like to share about tumbler gear mechanism. This mechanism involves four gears. Um, it is stud gear, intermediate gear, and lead screw gear, and the other one gear which rotates due to the headstock. If the power transmitted from headstock gear to the stud gear, if the if the lever moves upward means the lead screw rotates in a clockwise motion, which means that the carriage will move from left to right, or otherwise in the if the second gear, which means a small gear in stud gear meshes with the headstock gear, the lead screw will move. The lead screw will rotate at anti-clockwise direction, which means that the headstock will move from right to leftwards. This mechanism is used in thread cutting and automatic machining operations.
Hi guys, I am Sedu from Mechanical B section. I would like to share about applications of lathe machines. For industrial purpose, lathe machines are essential use for manufacturing and heavy sectors. Then automobile industries, we have to produce crankshaft, camshaft and gear systems. Then aerospace, in aerospace we have to produce precision turbines and structural components. Then metalworking industries, we have to produce mass productions like bolts, nuts, washers. Then defense and military, we have to produce precision with the work of weapons, aircraft, and vehicles. Okay, that's fine.
For each machine, we will have the specification which is found out in the board. You can come this side. So we can observe this is the center lathe. Here you can point it out. It is make is an Agmati GM. Admit bed center is 1000 millimeter. Height of the center over bedway is 160 mm. Maximum swing over cross slide is 210 mm. Power is 2 HP. Speed range is 54 to 1200 RPM. Diameter to the hole through the spindle is 30 mm. Like this, for each and every machine we are having the specification. So today we came to know about the lathe by using this technical champion explained very well. So thank you very much.
Thank you.